So any option you can promoting for your website to generating traffic purpose using for the Twitter option. Twitter promoting for images, GIF images and videos, poll and commenting option. So in this option, how to advertise by your business using for Twitter cards and Twitter tools. So in this one, if anything promoting for along with your website link, we're using for Twitter cards. Here is a using for which one? Your website name. This all will be will be promoting for this along with website and here using for option Twitter cards. Twitter cards enable for the new user not possible. Based on the tweets, based on impression, based on your uploading video, creating ads, the Twitter cards will be enabled. The Twitter cards will be enabled. So in this, go for it, Twitter ads, and not go for any Twitter ads. Just go for back. Here, in this, we'll be using for Twitter card option. Which one? Twitter card. Select it. In the Twitter main profile and Twitter card, one different. There's a card library. Card library nothing but to promote any website using with image and video also. Select card. Go to card library. Now, select a card option. Website card. In this, anything will be here. Copy the URL. Paste it. Select image. Image is more powerful to add the content. Create. Tweet. Select it. Remove the promote only. Why? I'm not promoting anything. Just use organic post. YouTube. YouTube earning. YouTube video. Making. Class. Tweet. Come to front end. Click for profile. Just scroll down. Here. If I click this link, they're going to exit your website. Exit your go to a website. Suppose my enable will be not done for Twitter cards. So which two is more powerful? Which two is more powerful? There is a website. The website name is called inimage.io. At a time I can promote image with my website link. Select your image. Go with this. So what are the options we can discuss here? I'm promoting for different matter. In this, post it. Add the destination URL. Copy the link. Finish. If it's Twitter call is not enabled, go for anyimage.io. We can call for shared by Twitter, share it, use the hashtags. Don't forget the hashtags. Post in the tweet option. Come to Twitter. Refresh the profile. Twitter cards and anime.io both are same, but only thing display URL will be different. Here is the same option. When you click here, they go to website, but display URL will be different. Here is showing for Rakesh solution dot just to share this dot info is there. Here they showing for a website URL rakeshtechsolutions.com. If any using other tools, that is called they're showing for another option. If using for Twitter card, they're showing for your website name properly. That means easily find out. If anyone posting the along with the website link by video, this is called Twitter cards. Promoting this video along with the website using for Twitter card option. Twitter card enabled by any user when you are marketing for the product and you're based on the Twitter post. Based on the Twitter post. This engagement compulsory need by your Twitter option. Is it clear? So this is using for Twitter cards for and tool using for website to promoting for image and videos. Videos only promoting for Twitter cards along with website. Animage.io only promoting for images, not for the videos.